Hello and welcome to our channel The News Poll. As coronavirus cases in India have crossed the 5 lakh mark, the centre on Monday 29 June announced guidelines for Unlock 2. According to the government, the lockdown shall continue to remain in force in containment zones till 31st July. Here are the rules of Unlock 2 which you need to know. Rule of the government says that the lockdown shall continue to be strictly imposed in the containment zone till 31st July. Containment zones will be notified on the website of the respective district collectors and by the states and union territories and will be informed to share the information with the Union Health Ministry. The second point of the Unlock 2 guidelines says that the international air travel of passengers has been permitted in a limited manner under Vande Bharat mission. The third rule says that it has been decided that schools, colleges and coaching institutions will be remain closed till 31st July. The next rule says that the night curfew shall remain be enforced between 10 pm to 5 pm. Rule says that there will be no restrictions on interstate and intrastate movement of person and good between one state to another state. The next rule says that beside these there will be a ban on social, political, spiritual, entertainment, academic, cultural and functions of large congregation in and outside the country. The next rule says that vulnerable persons above age of 65 and children below age of 10 are advised to be stayed at home. These are the Unlock 2 guideline rules which are imposed by the Government of India and going to be strictly followed throughout the country from 1st July to curb the spread of the coronavirus disease. All the news updates, please subscribe our channel The News Poll and do not forget to press the bell icon.